Welcome in your homework video. This is going to be a very important video because this is how you will learn using Fibonacci very well before you enter live market conditions. Why Fibonacci? Fibonacci is our most important method for making money in the group. So you want to master this tool for 100%. Okay? That's very important, and it will help you a lot to be profitable trader because we have a lot of many tools in the group, but the Fibonacci is always key one because some days you just make money out of it. So this is your homework, and you need to do what I do right now. So you will open the trading view. You will search for our chart, Bitcoin USD perpetual contract on Bybit. Okay, you will open it. Yeah, you will click here on 50-minute time frame. That's what that's time frame where we will be using and learning them. Also learn this, of course. This homework is suitable for you when you watched first 6 videos. Okay, so after 6 videos, when you have some knowledge, even 7 videos, a swing value pattern as well, you want to start implementing. Also learn this. Okay, you can pause video here. Okay, so you will learn this picture. You will learn what's the importance of each line here. Okay, and then you will start scrolling down in the chart to 21st of December. Okay, 21st. Let's go. Okay, a bit more scrolling. Okay, we got it. Okay, 21st of December. This is very close to area when the bull market started, so it's okay, and we know Bitcoin was going up, because we are in bull market, but we had a lot of volatility in between. So as a trader, you can't predict a lot of movements, and you need to learn them on Fibonacci. So what you're gonna do is now click replay button. You will click exactly at this low, here. Okay, and now the chart in the future and to the present is hidden for you, and now you can start learning. This process could take you a few days, or maybe 1 week or 10 days. It's up to you how fast you're gonna be. But if you want to do it properly, it will for sure take you a few days. All right, yeah? What you should do is to open the Excel sheet or any other sheet program like Word or something like that, and you need to write down each trade you made. You need to make a field for stop loss, for take profit, and for entry. So you will be measuring the moves. I will show you exactly on the chart. Okay, it's up to you how you write it down. I don't want to show you because it's like many options. Okay, we should set speed 1 update every 2 seconds. That's really okay. Yes. So we are starting from this low, and now let's see what market will do for us. So yeah, let's go. Play. So as we know, we want really defining lows, really lowest points for our Fibonacci. And we need really proper highs for Fibonacci. So when I see that, maybe I will slow it down 1. Oh, maybe second speed is fine. You will be stopping it. When you want to take a trade, you just stop the chart, okay? For now, I don't see trade, not yet, because we are just going up and there is no retracement. By the way, 50-minute time frame is a day trading time frame, so it's not for scalpers much, but we use the levels as scalpers as well. But this 50-minute time frame you will be using if you have work or you don't have much time trading per day, so you can set alerts on strong levels. So let's go. But everybody should do this homework, everybody. Okay, now we have a big drop. Okay, so I'm stopping the charts and I'm pulling first Fibonacci's. Very good. And I'm telling myself, okay, I got first entry. As we learn Fibonacci, we know green line is always the first entry we take. So my entry over here. Stop loss. Stop loss is very tight. Usually very close to the purple line. I use stop loss from a green line. So we can measure the stop loss. Let's say 0.6%. So you write it down for you. So you have your entry 22,790. You write stop loss 0.6%. And now let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, so another candle down. My stop loss is fine. My stop loss not touched. I'm still in the position. Okay, you're still holding the trade. Your you know your VWAP. You will make Fibonacci as a seller. Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Your first take profit could be purple line, of course, it's usually resistance. It's also above the highs, so you can take 30% here to earn for your stop loss. But main take profit is gonna be for me around the VWAP and golden Fibonacci lines. That's what I'm waiting for patiently. Price is playing around. Okay, now the candle happened. I stopped it, you know. So I'm taking first. I'm taking not first. I'm taking major take profit at the moment. Okay, here. So first take profit I was waiting over here, but as candle was very fast, then you are closing out 70% of position here or 80%. So, or you can even go out. Yeah, it depends on reaction. We will see now. Yeah, I think you can, you know, this is how you will be learning. If you take full profit or not, you know, all you need to write it down. But for me, I'm taking full profit over here, okay, because I see 0.86 giving us resistance. So full take profit here. Now you close position, there is no position left, and you measure your profit. So from this entry to there. Okay, so it's let's say my profit was 1.01%. Okay, 1.01. Yeah. Okay. So you write it down. That's your first trade. Now I will delete these Fibonacci's. So as we know, when we get the first touch on green line, our trade happened. We don't take another trade from the green line because the trade already happened from there. The line is weaker now. We don't want low probability trade. So we will be waiting where? We will be waiting at purple line. Okay. So I'm waiting there with my order. Let's go. Okay. Okay, we have a drop. Okay, so this is now top. You can utilize you can utilize other tools while you are learning. So you can see we have two tops, so you can make trend line for you. Also, you see the area around VWAP is always good take profit area. That's what we learned in previous video. So, and it's happening. So let's go. Let's wait for lower levels. You see, this is even good for learning to have to scalp because we swing failure pattern the low and we went up. This is a scalping trade, but yeah, I will do scalping trade separately. So let's go, just focus on Fibonacci. Okay, now I have entry. I have entry here at stop loss close to the yellow lines. Sometimes stop loss, when you have a strong reaction, you can move stop loss to your entry or very close to your low, but like in between here, because you want price, you want to leave price movement for breathing, okay, in case of like small swing failure pattern here, because we sometimes take out lows multiple times. So let's go. I have another trade. My stop loss is defined. My stop loss is defined over here. So from here there, 0.75. You will write it down. You will write your entry, and let's go. Very nice. That's what you want to see. You see a lot of wicking, a lot of wicks, which means buying interest is very strong. It's not letting price down. Even this was the major low, and this was another low, but it was higher than the previous low. So it is showing you strength, you know, and you can even enter here if you want big confirmations. But yeah, so our stop loss survived, you know, as it's always like, you know, like that. We leave price to breathe. And now you need to make seller's Fibonacci. And you could be taking your profit. To be safe, you could be taking first profit, you know, to earn for stop loss at purple line or very close to the green line, to yellow lines. So we took our major profit over there. And now we are seeing, okay, wait, we are seeing reaction from selling Fibonacci. So I'm taking full profit right now, okay, because we are seeing reaction. Just want to measure the move so I can write it down. So from here, 0.55, that's your gain. It was good trade because the reward ratio was 2 to 1, more than 2 to 1. So let's see. So purple line gave us another trade, very nice. So what we are going to do, we are going to wait now for the golden zone, the strongest zone for the Bitcoin, where I take the most trades and full positions always. It's always patience game. Yeah, here you had trade as a scalper as well here. Touch to the VWAP, then up. But we are focusing on day trading now. Again, 0.96 giving us strong resistance as in a previous point. Now we are dropping. Okay, I need to delete those Fibonacci's now. I need to extend Fibonacci so I can cover actual price. I can delete this one. And let's go. Let's go. We are patiently waiting. That's it, you know, that's our entry. We have entry here. And we will put stop loss here. So for this time, it's gonna be quite wide stop loss. Over here. To the middle of the 1 and 0.86. That's always your stop loss. Now we have major entry, okay? Now we can extend a downtrend. You see, sometimes you don't even reach downtrend. I mean trend line, which is showing downtrend. It's very close, and people, you know, took profit there. So yeah, it's a very useful tool. So let's go play more. What's gonna happen? So we see immediate, very strong reaction from golden zone. We are reaching first take profit area. I will delete this Fibonacci for now so I can focus here. Right now, you can even move stop loss a bit higher, for example here, because you already have good reaction, so you don't have to be so, you know, so big. So you can calculate your stop loss from this point now, 0.73%, and now we are taking major profit here. I mean, that doesn't have to be major. You can take like 50-60% over here. 2% almost. Okay, you will write it down. Now let's see. Okay, so we are seeing changing the market structure. We did hit resistance at the golden zone, but it seems market wants to hold, wants to change market structure, and it's holding his first more aggressive Fibonacci lines and purple line. So let's see. It's giving us more secure feeling. We can go up, you know. Yes, that's what we want to see. Okay, so market structure is slowly changing now. So you are staying in position, right? Great. Okay, so you should take profit here. It's important rule for Fibonacci. When you are taking out any high, you are in a local like trade, you taking profit over here. Always. Because many times Bitcoin is doing a swing failure pattern, so he will take the highs and then he turns down. So you will be risking losing all your profit. So you always take money from a table, okay? And if you know how to repurchase, you can even, like, you have position here and you can even add to your position from here. So you can make stronger position and your average price is gonna be here, okay? It's up to you. If you are experienced traders, you can add to the positions and write it down. If not, then you learn just trading like I'm showing right now. So I'm taking major profit here. So I took 50% here on Fibonacci and 50% there. So my average take profit was probably somewhere here in the between there and there. So it was 2.5% trade. I'm leaving 20% position open because I took 40 or 50% here and I took 30% here, for example. Because if you have strong uptrend, you don't have to close whole position. You can keep something. You can keep 20% of position because sometimes it will make you the most money, right? And your stop loss is now at the entry, yeah? No need to be, it's exactly at the entry. You can't lose on this trade. By the way, we already had 3 winning trades because, you know, that's how they are strong, you know, Fibonacci's. We also broke about the trend line, yeah? So it's very nice. It could serve as a support then later on. So we go like this, yeah? So let's see what's gonna happen. So we have a little position, 20% from here. Okay, so let's see. Again, waiting game. We took this high as well. Oh, big movement. Okay, that's why. Okay, now you are doing really good movement. So you will make more Fibonacci, but this time for sellers. So you want to see what's going to happen. If 0.6 is lost, then we are going up. We are going above this high because it's last defense. You can be booking like closing whole position there because it's also a take profit area. It's up to you if you want to hold or not, but then you will need to write it in your sheet. Okay, so we can delete this one. So we are seeing the resistance there still. Okay, price going sideways. as it's Asia. Okay, we have okay, we breached the high. Very good. Can close it. Oh, let's say we don't have any more of the position, so let's see what's gonna happen. Now we are going up, so we will wait for another big correction for us as we patiently wait. New day started. Asia pushing up. Now I'm seeing a major high, major top. Okay, let's see. Very, very close entry to the green line, but it was not touched. Now it was touched. You can enter here. Half position always from green line if you want to risk and take it, but this line I don't take often, like I don't take so much, you know, so because it's more risky. The better entry is always purple line or golden zone. So I will avoid this one exactly because also we have a lot of range here, so if we fall down to take out those lows, it's better to wait, you know, but you can take the trade, of course. But we are seeing it's holding, okay? We don't see like breaching down the wicking, you know, the wicks hold. The candles didn't close under, so you could be entering a little long, little scalp long. Why not? Yeah, you are still in the long. You could be closing at a VWAP. It was not a bad movement. $200, just little scalp, you know. But we want main entry from lower points. We are patiently waiting. VWAP is now resistance. Let's go. VWAP still resisting, and okay, nice. That's what we want to see. This was really big drop, okay? This was really big drop. So it fall through. Through the purple line. So there was no entry for us at the purple line, but as it is 50-minute candle, we have a lot of time to enter at yellow zone. So we have entry here, and our stop loss, as always, here. Here's our stop loss. You can of course measure it. 0.68 stop loss. This is what we want to see, by the way, on 50-minute. Like we had another drop down, but the low was held. Okay, so another low is higher, so that's good for stability. And I am now expecting a bounce to VWAP probably. Yeah, to selling Fibonacci's as well. We'll be watching. Now we've got the bounce. Okay, look at that. This was clean trade, you know, a lot of money made. First take profit here for 30% to make money for stop loss. Now you are moving your stop loss a bit higher, okay, because we already have a movement up. And we took out this high, so above this high is our major take profit. So we are taking major take profit here. 30% here at purple line, also making money, and 80% here. We can keep 20% position open in case of any crazy rise, you know. Let's go more. Let's see what's gonna happen. Another high, okay, very good. Okay, so we took out this high as well. So you are taking the rest of your position, 20% of your position profit over here. So this was really profitable trade. First take profit here 30%, 50% here and here. So I can say average profit was around here. 2.83%. Another winning trade for us. Okay, fourth in the row or fifth, I don't remember exactly. Write it down in your sheet. Now you have no position, and you are waiting patiently. Now, we made new high, so you will adjust your Fibonacci. It was rejected a lot, yeah? So let's see if we stay in the range and we go down. These Fibonacci's, by the way, they gave us trade from the golden zone. Now, as all these Fibonacci's are used, I'm going to use main Fibonacci for the range, okay? You can even see this pool was actually even better for trades because it was more precise. Okay, but you see, sometimes I'm using more local pools. This was great as well, and this one too. So you see, you just see if market is respecting both lows for Fibonacci pools is great for you. You just need to check, as I checked right now. Let's go. So we have no position, we are waiting. The golden zone was not touched exactly, it was very close, but if we fall, I would take the trade from the golden zone. We are now seeing the price is actually trying to hold more aggressive Fibonacci lines. Okay, so here purple line, and so you could trade you could buy here and go there from. Okay, but I'm focusing on 50 minutes a bit more, like for bigger trades, for bigger volatility, because this is more scalping range. So let's see if market is going to give us something. Okay, I need to stop it. Very good, very good. Of course, I'm waiting here with limit orders, or maybe just with quick hands. Okay, your entry over here, stop loss over here. Play. This is absolutely amazing. When you see bounds like this, with really just long wick down, it means a lot of stop losses here were hit, and we are going up. Like this is high probability trade, yeah. So we are going up. Okay. We went up another candle. You are taking profit for at this candle to make for stop loss. You can take 30-40% here, and you can move your stop loss now a bit higher. Yeah, maybe higher, like here. No, higher, maybe here. Here better because we have lows here. So if we swing value pattern, or we actually keep the stop loss for now. These are always decisions. Yeah, we are seeing VWAP is rejecting us. So we could be even taking more profit over here, 20% for example. Price is trying to hold us, okay. That's really good for us because yes, our stop losses are safe, and this is again more scalping trade, but it's always good to watch. This is always how the market structure is changing. If it's holding more aggressive Fibonacci, again, gold line held, stop loss here. So we have a lot of traders who are buying here and trying to change market structure. It's protecting us, our position from lower. Let's go. Okay, those local buyers, they lost the trade. I mean, they made money because we had sellers there. But now we did swing value pattern on them, and now we want to see if our stop loss is gonna be safe. Let's see. Okay, our stop loss is still really safe. We are still in the position. New highs made, very good. Really good, really good. Now you can prepare selling Fibonacci's, so you will know where to take major take profit for you. Major take profit was not major, but your take profit area was of course the purple line. As we are seeing a rejection there, yeah, 2-3 candles and down. So you should take some money out from your, to your pocket. We held VWAP, okay, we held VWAP, so it's support now. Yes, look at that, VWAP is holding us. This is really good how 3 touches to the VWAP, every hold is holding us, so every low is holding us. It's also giving you trade, you see, VWAP trades, they are nice for scalping. Need to stop it, okay, so Bitcoin is playing around. I need to extend my selling targets and also main Fibonacci's. Okay, let's go. Purple line still is still holding us now, but the range is tightening. We should break out. Should break up, market structure looking great. That's it, make main take profit hit very close to the line. So from here we took first take profit at purple and now second profit here, and now we can measure our move and write it down to Excel sheet. It depends if you want to keep 20% position or not. Let's measure it to 3%, 3.10%, 3.10, yeah, that's very nice. And right now it's the right move to move your stop loss to entry, maybe here, very close to the entry, in case you have a swing failure pattern to take a loss, and yeah. But you already made a lot of money. Okay, I don't want to be this video too long. I showed you methods how I was learning Fibonacci a long time ago, 2-3 years ago. This is what you are going to do. You will trade from this moment, from 21st of December till today. I see it's taking some time, so perhaps you could do 1 full month or 2 full months, and then do it. Write all the results. It's important to see your results, because then we can analyze if your win ratio is good. What's your win ratio for Fibonacci? If it's more than 50%, and even if it's not 50%, you can actually be winning over the market, because your returns are usually much higher than loss. Because our stop loss based on Fibonacci is always smaller than our potential profit. It's like our potential profit is usually 2-3 more times than stop loss. So please do it. This is your homework. And if you want, you can come to me after this backtesting. Yeah, this is only one backtesting I like. Then you need to really trade on the market when you learn this. And this should improve your winning rate a lot, because you will see same Fibonacci as me or other traders in the group, and you will just take them, yeah, because some moves are really fast. If you finish this homework, come to me. You can write me a message. You can even show me your results in Excel. I will evaluate, and I will give you the further advice, like what to focus on now. So I hope it was clear. So I will say a few more points. So always place stop loss between the 1 and 0.86. Okay, always. Then you can move it if you go far away. Then you can move it to your entry. The green line is the most aggressive line. So you are not taking. So you are taking trades from it, but only 50% size, so a bit less. Purple line, it's second strongest line, so you take strong trades from it, full positions almost. And the golden zone, you always take golden zone no matter what, because you have defined stop loss, and it's always a good return ratio. And always book profit from seller's point of view, okay, from seller's Fibonacci. So always on the here 0.5 or 0.61. So you are sure you have money from the market, and also your target for take profit is always above the highs. Yeah, so always here, because Bitcoin loves to take out highs and go down. So you don't want to lose your winning trade. Yeah, so that's the key things, and I wish you really good luck with this backtesting. If you do this, you will be ready to trade with small size and based on Fibonacci. Then you will be adding more tools. Okay, so good luck, and see you in the chat. Bye.